Wow, this is a bit of a shock to me. I wasn't anticipating or expecting anything like this to be found. Wow. Oh my god, guys, ain't that just so divine? Oh my god, take a look at this. Wow! Look at this. Wow, so it's like a retreat or something, a place of relaxation and healing. Wow, guys, just look at that. Is it just me, or does that look like a face? Oh my god, guys, that face is pretty freaky. I am right, yeah, it does look like a face. Good morning from Bali, Indonesia. I'm here in the Buleleng area and I'm about to show you a waterfall called Santipala waterfall. This is another waterfall I've never actually been to again myself due to its remote location. However, we're going to go and explore and see this place together, so come with me. Oh, here's the sign, Santipala. This is actually a ticket office. So that's the ticket office. There's nobody actually at the ticket office. However, we're just going to go and walk along the track, hope everything is safe and well, and we're just going to go and explore and have a look at this waterfall. So let's go. So I hope this is going to be all safe and well. Sometimes when you come to these waterfalls and they close, they could be closed for a reason, due to a landslide or something, or the tracks, I don't know. Sometimes there can be a multitude of reasons why they're not. I don't know whether this is due to the pandemic it's closed, or whether there's been a landslide and the track's damaged or not. We're going to go and explore and we'll find all will be revealed along the way. Wow, so it's a steep drop down there, guys. Ooh, into a black hole. The concrete. A couple of temples there. So I've never actually been to this waterfall myself before, so I don't know how long this trek is going to take. But we're just going to continue on anyway because I'm interested to see this waterfall. We're going back to a little section of concrete. Oof. Wow, look at this bamboo. Oh la la. Looks as though there's been a bit of a landslide here. I've shored it up. So you just never know what you're going to get when there's no ticket office. That rings alarm bells straight from the beginning, because you don't know why there's no ticket office. So the track's pretty clean. It's not overgrown in any way, so it's still visible. So I don't understand why there's no ticket office. Maybe there's just no demand, or whether it's because of the pandemic. Who knows? I presume it's this one. This is a mixture of soil, stone, concrete, rock, everything you can imagine has been used to create this track. Oh guys, just look at them for steps. Oh, they're so green and a little bit slippy. Ooh la la, look at this. So the track's a mixture of everything. It's green, it's slippy, but I think we're actually getting closer to the waterfall now. Oh, okay, so there's no ticket office and now they've put a donation box here. There's a little temple there. Wow, so it looks as though at one time they've put a lot of things here, so maybe, I don't know whether there was tourists coming or whether they anticipated a lot of tourists coming. Well, let's go and take a look over there. Look at this. Hello.
Hello,
Actually, we have a toilet over here. I'm not going to step on the floor and go inside because it looks as though it's just being washed down. So it looks as though you can sleep here. Beautiful is that. Wow, interesting. Let's go and make our way over to the waterfall. There's your first little waterfall. That's not Santipala, that's not the main waterfall. I hope this is safe. Wow, look at this. So it's like a retreat or something, a place of relaxation and healing. Impressive. There's another one here. Oh, look at that, you have a string there. All the way across here. Oh la la, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Wow, guys, just look at that. You're just in the middle of the jungle, in the middle of nowhere. So at touch with nature. Unbelievable. Wow, this is a bit of a shock to me. I wasn't anticipating or expecting anything like this to be found. I thought it was just going to be a normal waterfall. However, it's quite intriguing and interesting. So let's go over and try and search for the main waterfall. Wow, look at this. Wow! Ooh la la. Wow, what an adventure this is! Ooh la la, this is amazing! Look at this! Divine beauty. Wow. God, guys. So we're just going to have to walk through the water now. Oh my God, guys, wait till you see this. This is an ooh la la moment. Oh my God, take a look at this. Wow! Woo. How beautiful is that? Is it just me, or does that look like a face? 2 eyes, a nose, a mouth. Wow, that's freaky. God, guys, that face is pretty freaky. I am right, yeah, it does look like a face. It feels as though I'm being watched every movement down here at the waterfall, so don't be naughty. So as you can see, guys, unfortunately there's not really any water that you can bathe or swim in here at this waterfall. However, it's really divine beauty. The whole area, the walk down, the track down, the whole area down here surrounding the waterfall is absolutely mind-blowing. It really is. The waterfall isn't the biggest water flow in the world and the biggest one in Bali by no means. However, the rock formation and that little green face that's looking at us and watching us, it's absolutely fabulous place to visit this. So relaxing, you feel here at so close, at touch with nature. It's just a really fascinating feeling inside to be here. It really is. I'm blown away and mesmerized by this this place. I think it's absolutely astonishing. Again, I'm here all alone. I can understand why, because it is in a remote location here in Buleleng. However, it's worth the trip, guys. It really is worth the trip. You should be coming and visiting these places. This is my second waterfall today, so I'm heading on to one more today, all of which are in close proximity to one another, and I shall put them in the description which 3 waterfalls they are, so you could make a day of it visiting here. And we're not too far off now Lavina and Sinaraja as well. If you just head north into Lavina and Sinaraja, maybe about half an hour, 40 minutes from here. So this place for me is absolutely fantastic. Glad to share it with you. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I shall say bye for now.